This is the drinking street. Up until today, is still the drinking street. Yeah, today we're in Elbow Court Flats. Americans, HL, gang infested, drug infested. Lovely communities, lovely communities living here. Lovely communities living here. And then there's a shop of this, right close to the Easter plot. Elbow Gardens, they call it Elbow Gardens. Elbow Gardens, eh? Lovely communities living here, but this flat's been taken over. Flats has been taken over. We're gonna take you into the flats. We're gonna give you a preview. We're gonna stand inside. Now this is inside of Elbow Gardens.
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn, yes, Brooklyn. Yeah, I want to know who we're looking for here, but we're not looking for anyone. We're showing the people how they're looking. This is in the heart of the Elbow Gardens. Lovely communities here. Okay, he's got his dop, he's got his wine. Gang infested. Gang infested. Lovely people living here. Lovely people. Huh? Nice people there. Huh? Why must gangsters have the overlay of it? Huh? It's about territory. It's about territory. Each person is trying to preserve his little territory. So they make up a little club. That club becomes a gang in the end of the day. Elbow Gardens today. Elbow Gardens. Yeah. Lovely community right here. ACVV community. Yeah. It's Elbow Gardens for you. The scruffy standing everywhere. We're still in Brooklyn. We're still in Brooklyn. Still in Brooklyn. Huh? Lekker, vibrant place. Whites, colors, blacks. Equity balance. Look how filthy this place is. You can stand on the pavements like you want to sell your wares. The city won't worry with you. He only looks after a few. This place well known for the jamming. They jam your electronic device to your alarm. The guy will stand in with his hands in his pocket. Jam your signal to your doors. You think the car's locked, you come back, everything is out of the boot, no window broken. Very popular area. Very popular area for jamming. Because you would stop. Because bargains pulled your eyes and bargains pulled you to park without looking around you. Vibrant place. Different communities frequenting the place. Busy hubs. But because of spatial planning, it's got a bit of white people here, got a bit of black people here, got a bit of colored people here. I have to break it down to you like this. Because why? Reality tells us And when we do an audit, the give and take happens to the one-sided community only. Like in Gatesville. They will target you. They will bring black law enforcement. They ever believe there must be a language barrier problem. He's not going to understand you. I don't understand you, sir. You can explain to him. You can explain to him, oh man, this is my last. This is my last. This is my last. Hey? But still. Yeah, another car wash, undercover car wash. We have the people living on the streets, man. City that works for a few. It's allowed here, it's alright, man. It's allowed here. It's allowed here. So then we have a drinking street also. Who knows what I know about West Coast Street? Let's show it to you, man. Yeah, this is the drinking street. Up until today, is still the drinking street. There it comes. There's no law to come and tell these people it's not right. They smoke. They do their stuff like they want to. They do their stuff like they want to. Huh? So you want to do what you want to do. You want to do law enforcement games when you want to. This is the city that works for a few, man. We're going to bring it out for you, man. We're not aligned to political parties. We're not aligned to political parties.